आम्ही आयले मेमोरियल रिकॉर्ड पयली 4 दीस पयली ते काणकोण व्हिडिओ पळयल्लो जो व्हायरल जाल्लो वेर वन पर्सन आणि ही ओपनली थ्रेटन द मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी आणि सांगपा लागलो जुलूस ना आणि टोपी घालपाक जायना हे घालपाक जायना सो ते व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जालो फील व्हेरी कन्सर्न आणि मागीर काल परत आनी एक इन्सिडंट जालो कुकडी बाय ते कोणाक तेका 3 जाणांक कोणाक मारलो सो वी आर व्हेरी द काँग्रेस पार्टी एंड आय एज द चेअरमॅन वी व्हेरी कन्सर्न सो वी केम टू गिव अ मेमोरेंडम टू द SP to just maintain law and order. And असले लोक जो are who give all these provocative speeches and दितात and आमचो Goa, which is such a peaceful and a very harmonious and very beautiful state, they are spoiling this thing. So we just gave this to please maintain law and order and see that peace and the beauty of Goa is maintained. And Goa being a tourism, आमची जी economy is on tourism. If असले messages गेले बाहेर की सच असे झगडी बिगडी जातात, people might get scared to come. So we have to maintain this law and order and peace.
All Goa Minority Department, Goa Pradesh Congress Committee चे नियाजी शेख आणि त्याच्या बरोबर आनी तांचे पदाधिकारी हे म्हज्या ऑफिसान आयले आणि म्हजे कडेन मेमोरंडम दिल्लें आसा with the subject request for immediate action against proactive speeches and threats of violence in काणकोणा तालुका. हांवें तांचे रिप्रेजेंटेशन्स एक्सेप्ट केल्ले आसा. वी हॅव एश्युअर्ड लॉ अँड ऑर्डर दॅट वील बी मेंटेन. एडिशनली रिगार्डिंग प्रोएक्टिव्ह स्पीचेस तांच्यांनी पयलीं ऑलरेडी कंप्लेंट दिल्ली आसा मायनॉरिटीज जे काणकोणाचे आसा तांच्यांनी आणि तांचे कंप्लेनीचेर आमी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशनूय सुरू केल्लें आसा. So we will not allow any law and order situation to occur. We will see that communal harmony is maintained in the state of Goa and especially in Kankona. We have deployed our police staff, my DYSP, SDPO Kankona, Police Inspector Kankona, staff of Kankona. I have reinforced this with the staff of my district platoons I have given. I have also requisitioned IRBN staff and they are in Kankona area as well as in Kumpoli area, and we have seen that the law and order is handled properly and there is no threat to any peace and tranquility in the society. We'll see that the communal harmony is maintained well.